So I just did a brake line repair, and this was spliced into the old line. And please don't ever do this with brake lines. That's a compression fitting. That's a household plumbing fitting. That is not designed to handle the pressure of a brake system. That's a very dangerous repair. All it is that little brass ferrule slipped over there and clamped down by the nut. There's no physical connection. Brake line repairs need to be done with a double flare. It's beyond comprehension why anyone would do this, but please don't. If you don't have a flare tool, borrow one, rent one, buy one, but don't use a compression fitting.